Hi, John Couri here from the ACO Australia sales team. I'm here today with Nathan and Adam Wright from Wright Way Plumbing and Civil. We're on site today at the Northern Road upgrade just outside of Oran Park. The Northern Road upgrade spans the area between Oran Park in the south and Penrith in the north, providing a new infrastructure link for southwestern Sydney and also an infrastructure upgrade to support the new Badgerys Creek Western Sydney Airport. Guys, tell us a little bit about your business at Wright Way and I guess your scope of works here on the Northern Road.
So we got asked to take on the drain installation at stage one. Where we got to amalgamate our skills in drainage and in concreting, and we found that it was quite a success for us. We then moved on to this project here, which was a much larger scope. We won the works, and it was a huge success for us. Essentially, we've got a methodology pass off that we worked with the RMS to install, and that methodology was basically key to the speed and the production and the quality. We didn't suffer cracking, we didn't suffer units breaking.
Originally the ACO product was specified for a couple of reasons, primarily centering around the V-shaped channel and the high flow grate, which allows for a couple of things: large ingress of water, draining the surface of the road rapidly, and also to allow an easier cleaning methodology. Adam, you've managed the site teams day to day at a site level. What else can you tell us about installing the ACO product?
It became easier with the greater numbers in using the methodology with the machine to lay the units, which quickened the whole job up itself and made it easier for the boys to do.
Fantastic. Guys, well done on a fantastic job. This amounts to the largest single installation of graded trench drain in a project anywhere in Australia. Congratulations, we look forward to working with you again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.